Now in this video I am going to solve question number 13 of your book T.S. Grewal. Okay, in the same way weighted average profit method. See carefully. First of all I am going to read question, so listen properly. Okay, in question number 13 what is given? Calculate goodwill of the firm on the basis of 3 years purchase of weighted average profit of last 4 years. The profits of last 4 years financial year ended 31st March 17, 25,000, 18, 27,000, 19, 46,900 and 2020, 53,810. The weights assigned each year 17, 18, 19, 20, 1, 2, 3, 4. Now some adjustments are given. Adjustment number 1, on 1st April 17, a major plant repair was undertaken for ₹10,000 which was charged to revenue. This is a capital nature expenditure, but what we have done, we have treated this capital nature expenditure as a revenue nature expenditure. This is our mistake number 1. The said sum is to be capitalized for goodwill. Calculation subject to adjustment of depreciation of 10% per annum on reducing balance method. We have to charge depreciation also at the rate of 10% per annum every year. Now number 2, closing stock for the year 31st March 18 and 19 was overvalued by 1000 and 2000 respectively. Closing stock is overvalued of 18 and 19. And last, to cover the management cost, annual charge ₹5,000 should be made for purpose of goodwill valuation. Okay, so this is all about question. Now first of all what we have to do, we have to convert this net profit into normal profit. So for the conversion what we have to do, we have to do some adjustments. So first of all I have written question. See 17, 18, 19, 20. Profit is given 25,000, 27,000, 46,900, 53,810. Now I am going to do some adjustment. Point number 1. In this point number 1, it is given that we have treated 10,000 capital nature expenditure as revenue nature expenditure. Because of this treatment, profit of 31st March 18 is reduced because it is a capital nature expenditure. It should be treated on the asset side in the balance sheet, but what we have done, we have recorded as an expense. So because of treating as an expense, so profit of on 31st March 18 is reduced. So for correction what we have to do, we have to add this 10,000 rupees. So what we are doing, we are just adding this 10,000 rupees. And we have made this expenditure on 1st April 17. So if we are doing adjustment expense on 1st April 17, so it will affect on 31st March 18. Okay, because if accounting period start on 1st April 17, so it ends on 31st March 18. So what we are doing, we are adding this 10,000 rupees because this is a capital nature expenditure. By mistake we have treated as a revenue nature expenditure, and because of revenue nature expenditure our profit is decreased. So for correction we are adding this 10,000 here. After that every year we have to charge depreciation as per reducing balance method at the rate of 10% per annum. So I am charging depreciation as we have done in class 11th also. In that chapter we have done depreciation. So see what I am doing here, I am charging 10% depreciation on 10,000, 10%, 1,000, and we are using reducing balance method. So again we have to reduce this 1,000 out of this 10,000. So we are doing reduction 10,000 minus 1,000, again on 9,000, 10%, 900, and last year also 10,000. So we have to deduct first of all this 1,000 here and this 900 here because we are using reducing balance method, and on 8100 we are charging 10%, 810. So this is entire treatment which is related to point number 1 which we have done. This is depreciation which we have done. Depreciation. This is depreciation, and this is the adjustment because of capital nature expenditure treated as a revenue nature expenditure. Now point number 2, we have overvalued closing stock of 18 and 19. Because of overvaluation of closing stock our profit is increased. So for the correction we have to decrease the profit. So if closing stock is overvalued, so this closing stock is overvalued, so this closing stock becomes opening stock of next year. If closing stock is overvalued, so next year naturally your opening stock is also overvalued, and if closing stock is overvalued your profit is increased. So correction what you are doing, you are reducing here, And if closing stock is overvalued, naturally your opening stock is also overvalued. And if opening stock is overvalued, your profit is decreased. So for correction, what you are doing? You are adding this 1000 here. Same 1000, whatever you are deducting here, same you are here adding. Okay. Same way in 2019 also, 2000 closing stock is overvalued. In 2019, if closing stock is overvalued, again your profit is increased. So correction, what you are doing? You are reducing 2000 rupees. And if closing stock is overvalued, naturally your opening stock is overvalued. And if your opening stock is overvalued, your profits decrease. So for correction, what you are doing? You are adding, you are correcting your correct profit. Okay. Now after that, this is adjustment number 2 or adjustment number 3. We have to charge management cost 5000 rupees every year. So what we are doing? 5000 we are deducting here. 5000 we are doing management cost deducting here, 5000 here also, and 5000 here also. Every year we are deducting 5000 rupees because it is a normal expense of our business. So now after this we are getting 25,000 minus 5,000, 20,000. In the same way, after adjusting, we are getting this is normal profit. Now we are using this normal profit to determine goodwill according to weighted average profit method. Here it is given 17, 18, 19, 20. Profit same we are taking 20,000, 30,000, 40,000, 50,000 here. Now weights are given 1, 2, 3, 4. And how product is determined? This is column number 1, this is column number 2, this is column number 3, this is column number 4. How column number 4 is coming? Multiply by column number 2 and 3. You will find column number 4. So multiply this 20,000 by 1, 20,000, 30,000 into 2, 60, 40,000 into 3, 120, and 50,000 into 4, 2 lakh. Now find the sum of your total product and find the weight, sum of your total weight. Now see, this 4 lakh is your total weight and this 10 is your total weight and this 40,000 is 4 lakh is your total product. So divide this total product 4 lakh by 10, you will find your weighted average profit 40,000. And now goodwill you can determine 40,000 into 3 because number of purchasing is given 3. So multiply by 3, you will find 1,20,000 is the goodwill of the firm. Now on the basis of this question number 13, you can solve question number, homework I am giving you same way. You can solve question number 13. I have solved question 13, you can solve question 14, 15 and 16. Okay, this is your homework. Same way, same formula, same concept you can apply here in these 3 questions. Okay, so solve this question and ask me if there is any doubt. Okay.